What do YouTube? It's boy TJDaKid back on that video, man. We got another Matt Stonie video, bro. We ain't react to Matt Stonie in a little minute, but you know what I'm saying? A little foodie.
There are over 800 million videos on YouTube. However, not a single video has cracked the 23 Popeyes biscuit barrier. I have watched over 100 Popeyes biscuit challenges, and the average biscuits consumed per video is only 4.72.
I done whipped something up for y'all, bro.
So,
I got 6 biscuits.
24 Popeyes biscuits.
I ain't realized that he said, like, in the title it says 24 biscuits. I'm not getting 20. I got 6 biscuits.
This video
I'm gonna try to out-eat Matt Stonie.
Biscuits eaten in the YouTube video.
Oh, they gave me 6 biscuits, no honey, bro. That is insane.
Okay, strategy. Will dunking the biscuit in water help?
Nah, gang, I'm not doing that, bro.
Holding strong.
That's disgusting.
Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome to this week's food challenge and happy holidays. I've done 1 biscuit challenge.
I'm gonna just throw them back, bro.
No
Pause.
challenge on the shorts channel.
I'm supposed to go to Popeyes and only get biscuits, but I end up getting a frozen lemonade.
PB, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
And if you know, you know, bro. You gotta get the chicken sandwich, bro. But hey, hold on, bro. Let me get right. I'm not wetting my biscuits though, bro. I refuse. I'm finna try to out-eat them for the first 6. I don't got 24, bro. First 6, bro. I'm gonna lick my shit. I don't know, bro. He might be cheating with that little shit he just did. Hold on.
PB, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
20.
I have my 10 seconds. Hell no. I'm at 15 seconds. I should put on a timer. Cool. To 1, to 2, to 3. I play for my own timer. Fuck that. God damn. Bait. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm still recording. Oh, shit, man. Bro, I kid you not, it took me about 2 minutes to finish that. Oh, my gosh. All right, bro. We finna restart, bro. Fuck that. We finna put our own timer, bro. All right?
PB, here we go.
I only got 5 biscuits left, bro. Oh, my gosh. Hold on, bro. Oh. Got my own timer, bro. I think that licking really did, like, it did something to it. All right. Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
20.
10 seconds, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. Go.
Time.
45.
I'm at 2 seconds.
That's 1 biscuit down.
Ah!
Game on.
Alright, we got me and Kevin. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh god. 20 seconds. Take your time, don't choke. We got water in case you need it.
Yeah, I'm already at 40 seconds.
I'd say we're at dead time.
Got a whole half a biscuit. Oh my god.
1 minute. As long as you
I can't do that,
Kevin's
dude.
done. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Go, Malin. Let's go.
I didn't make my shit soggy, bro.
Come on, just think of it like a hockey puck.
I might dip my shit in.
Done. 1 minute, 35 seconds.
I might dip my shit in a frosty, bro.
We're now 3 biscuits.
I think that's the way.
in this video. It's time to demolish 24 biscuits. This has been sitting in there for like 20 minutes. Nothing's changed.
Take a bite, I dare you.
Want to know the secret to eating this much food but staying healthy?
Oh,
Fried chicken definitely doesn't help. But great segue to the sponsor of this week's video. 10. The current human limit. The upper threshold. Popeyes
I'm finna dip it. Hey, don't judge me, bro. I'm finna dip it in my frosty, bro. Alright? We gotta water that thing down.
Over an hour, and this thing is still.
He said 45 seconds. Wait, did he even dip his shit? Am I just doing nasty shit for no reason? Man, hell no, bruh.
It's like I can't breathe.
I'm starting my 45 seconds. Oh.
Less almost 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Halfway there. 12 biscuits down. Go to go.
I'm some water, bruh.
On your time. You can do this on your time. No problem.
Bro, I got no water in my own, bro.
Over halfway. I think.
God damn, girl.
Oh, flavor is so redundant. How are your biscuits?
Oh my God, yo. Fuck that, bro. I gotta be fucking study, bro.
Almost there.
And why is my social way up here, bro? The hell, oh, bro. 24
Never
biscuits
has more Popeyes
in less than 10 minutes, bro. What's that? What's the math on that, bro?
biscuits been eaten in a single YouTube video. And I didn't do it alone. Thanks to Kevin and Malin. We combined 27 biscuits in a single YouTube video. That, as far as I'm concerned, is a world record. We did it.
You got it, gang. That's not like some. Hey. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck me.
50,000 likes.
Okay, bro. I love it, bro. But damn, bro. Now I feel like I just wasted these biscuits, bro. I'm gonna give them to the homeless or something. Shit. Hey, comment down whatever challenges y'all want me to do. This was just kind of random, but like, you know what I'm saying? Comment down y'all want me to do challenges, different vids. Y'all know I be trying to expand my horizon and all that and what so not. But y'all let me know, bro. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Subscribe to the channel.